Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Facebook Events tab missing. Events tab option not showing on Facebook. If you want to fix this issue, you need to consider these options. First, check your Facebook settings. Go to your Facebook profile, click on the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner, then select Settings and Privacy, then choose Settings. Scroll down to your Facebook information and click on Manage your activity. Look for the event section and make sure it is not disabled. In the second option, update your Facebook app. Open the App Store on your device, like App Store for iOS and Google Play Store for Android. Search for Facebook. If an update is available, install it. In the third option, clear your browser cache and cookies. Open your browser setting. Find the option to clear browsing data. Make sure to clear both cache and cookies. Restart your browser and try accessing Facebook again. In the fourth option, temporarily disable browser extensions. Some browser extensions can interfere with Facebook functionality. Try disabling all extensions and see if the Events tab reappears. So, I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.